how to download raw Accel on PC and laptop. So if you want to download raw Accel on your PC or your laptop, then it's basically a mouse customization app. So you just need to simply go with your Google Chrome. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Open up your Google Chrome, and then you need to just simply go with your search. And from the search, you need to search for raw Accel. Once you've searched, you need to just simply go with the official website right here. And then you need to just scroll down a bit and you will have the download option right here. You need to click on the download and just remove this ad and it will start the downloading process. Or you can just simply scroll down and then you will have the latest version right here. Click on download on the right side. Just wait for a few seconds and the download had started and it has also been finished. Now, once the download has been finished, it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to double click on this folder. And here you need to click on the interface where it says application. So it says you need to extract, go back to the raw Accel folder. And here you need to go with extract all and click on extract. And just wait for a few seconds, it will be extracted. Now, once it has been extracted, you need to just open that folder. And then here you need to go with installer. Just double click on the installer and it might ask you that if you want to allow the permission, you need to click on yes. And once it allows the permission, you will have this kind of interface. You can press any key to close this window. And once done, you need to double click on the raw Accel. And if it doesn't work, it says that you need to restart. So just close this window and then restart your device. And after restarting, you need to just click on raw Accel and it will be installed automatically. So that's how you can download raw Accel on your PC and your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.